Hey there folks, Chris Donnelly with Guaranty RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2021 Winnebago Spirit. This is one of their premier lines of Class C's on the market. This is going to be a 26T floor plan. You're going to get full body paint in this coach. You're going to get a lot of great amenities. Winnebago manages to do a modern look with lots of functionality. Let's head inside. Coming into the Winnebago Class C's, you immediately see that Winnebago's been doing this for a long time. Their craftsmanship, their feedback that they get from all of their users is all incorporated and culminates to what their Class C is today. So coming into this rig, you're going to immediately notice that the dinette is a horseshoe dinette. Can fit plenty of people around and also makes into a nice big bed. Of course, with the Class C, you're going to have the overhead bed space, a TV that swings out, and then down below in the cockpit, it has been redesigned for 2021. As you can see, the Ford cockpit itself is a little bit different, more controls on the steering wheel. Winnebago gives you a nice big screen for your tuner, backup camera, and even navigation if you'd like to add that. This model we got with theater seating. So these both recline. You've got USB ports and cup holders in the middle. Very comfortable seats to be watching TV in. Coming over to the Galley, they really do a good job with this in a 26-foot model. You've got a good counter space that can flip up. You got a nice big bowl sink. You got storage. You got a pantry right by the fridge. Very functional. Lots of drawers there. And also with Winnebago's modern styling, they don't go over the top. Everything's easy to clean, easy to access. Nothing's too extravagant. Going through the hallway here, you've got plenty of storage that can be a pantry or more storage for clothing. Two big cabinets side by side leading into a bathroom area, and this is where ingenuity comes in. The door that closes to this bathroom allows you to not only enter and exit it very easily, but keeps things out of the way when you're doing your final cleanup after a trip. It's always hard getting into the bathroom when it's really small, hard to clean. Coming over to the bed that slides out, easy access on both sides. You've got countertops on both sides to put personal items, CPAP machine, books, phone charging, USB on each side as well. Very smart design. Going back into the bathroom, there's plenty of room to move around. Getting in and out of the shower is easy. The toilet's in a wide enough area to where you can get right by it, no problem. And there's a little bit of storage in there as well, so even full-size adults getting in and out there's not going to be an issue. When you come back outside, you're going to notice the gorgeous paint job on this rig. Lots of storage underneath, and overall a great package for a 26-foot Class C. You're going to be able to see the quality that Winnebago integrates in their products every inch of this coach. Guys, thanks for taking this tour with me on the Winnebago 26T, the Spirit Class C. Give me a call anytime. I'd love to show you more about this product, take it for a drive. Come see me. My name's Chris. My number's 541-292-7031.